Today, I hope you take a moment to be grateful to God for what you have, for the people who show up for you, the ones who care about you and make you a priority. I hope you are grateful for the doors that opened when you least expected, because it was sure indeed your time. I hope you take a moment to reflect on how far you've come and the moments you have been blessed through this journey. Today, I hope you do not allow anyone to hold you back, make you feel small, or cause you any more pain or suffering. Today, I hope you write the vision clear, and I hope God gives you clarity and guide you through all that is needed for you to put those things to life. I hope today that every of your good will be done in order in which you planned it, and everything around you will flourish, even in the face of those who doubted, destroyed, and tore apart your name. There is stillness and peace in today. Today feels different, and I hope you gain the closure that you need and the grace that is expected. Today, I hope for a lot of things, but most of all, I just hope for a lot of things for you. Yes, guys, gratitude is indeed a powerful force and a light in the darkness of our struggles. Today, let's take a moment and reflect on the blessings we've been given, the people who stand by us, and the love that surrounds us. Let us embrace this moment with open hearts and mind, because these are the threads that weaves the tapestry of our lives. You have to learn to be grateful for the small things and the joy that brings a smile to your face and the quiet moments that recharges your soul. Be grateful for the challenges that test your strength and the opportunities that help you grow. Today, let us be grateful to those who stand by us, who lifts us up when we fall, and who reminds us of our strength when we forget. Today, let us be grateful for the love that surrounds us, the warmth of a friendly embrace, and the comfort of a kind word. And in this gratitude, may we find strength, may we find peace, and may we find the courage to face the life that lies ahead of us. For in gratitude, we find the beauty of our souls, the beauty that binds us together, and the beauty that makes us human. Let us now be grateful for the wonder of the world around us, and let us be grateful for the sun that warms our skin, even the stars that light our way, and the wind that carries our dreams. Let us now be grateful for the beauty of nature, the songs of the birds, the rustle of the leaves, and the majesty of the mountains. In gratitude, may we find the path to happiness, contentment, and a life well lived. So today and every day, let us now give thanks for all that we have, for all that we are, and for all that we will become. Today, may we remember what truly matters in life. May we hold these words close to our hearts. May it guide us through the journey of life. May it remind us of the beauty and wonder that surrounds us. May this word inspire every listener. May it lift you up when you are down, and may it be your light when you are lost in the dark. My name is Elegant, and I'm out of here.